my birthday. Ang dami nilang nag-chat. Update ang messenger. Kinakabahan ako sa mga samay-samay na yun, ha? Later ko na kayo sasagutin. Tulog. Good morning! Yeah, oh my god. It's Monday. Good morning, March 31. Third day in Vietnam. Maaga ako nagising today. Maaga talaga ako nagigising dito, pero sa bahay namin hindi. So, it's actually like 6:30 something na. And maaga ako nagising kanina kasi marami ako naririnig nagbibip. Birthday ko na pala. Tapos maagang nakaayos yung hair ko kasi nag-product review ako for TikTok no mushroom curler and the styling spray. So punta kayo sa TikTok ko, nandun siya sa yellow basket. Grabe. Ano ba? Kasi hindi na ako nakatulog. Pero inulit ko yung dalawa dito kasi hindi ako happy. Anyway, naglinis ako agad kasi today will be my last morning here. Tapos bukas, babalik na ako sa Hanoi. So maaga ako susunduin ng limo na binook ko sa Klook. Tinatamad pa akong bumaba for buffet breakfast. I just want a slow birthday morning. So, may mga nabili akong fruits kahapon. Hindi na ako nakapag-outro kahapon sa vlog ko. Kasi storage full, camera and phone. Just ko, 2 days pa lang tayo dito. Camera full na. So, ayun. Naglinis lang naman ako kagabi ng luggage bag ko. Tapos, okay na siya. Tapos naka-prepare na yung damit ko dito sa closet. May mga nabili ako. So mag-strawberry tayo. May breads. Tapos coffee. Hindi ko alam kung coffee to. Pero coffee to eh. Naka-Vietnamese kami. Ayun. So magko-coffee lang tayo while editing videos. Kailangan na natin mag-edit ng videos. Kasi na-storage full na tayo. Marami akong nami-miss na moment. But kasi hindi pa nag-invest sa Digicom. Anyway. Baka nga pala nag-wonder kayo bakit ako nakabat. Malamig kasi. Malamig dito. Tapos yung pantulog ko. Diba? Wala akong dalang pajama. Kaya natutulog ako nakaganito. sige na. Mamaya na lang ulit. Tignan mo, nakaabang ako. Thank you, Ate Cha. Ay, picture tayo. Wait lang. Picture tayo. Picture tayo. Game. Ayos ka. 1. Game. 1, 2. Uy, nakita ko yung trade. Sige na. Bye-bye. Nakapag-breakfast na ako sa baba. Bumalik lang ako sa kwarto. Hindi pa ako nakakasimula ng isang edit. Nakapag-isang edit na ako for my TikTok account. Problema ko talaga yung storage. So, malamang sa malamang, magsisimba lang ako. Are you planning a trip to Sapa, Vietnam? There are 3 ways to get there. Limousine is spacious with massage chair, Wi-Fi, charging ports, the price. Okay. Are you planning a trip to Sapa, Vietnam? There are 3 ways to get there. 1. Sleeper bus. 2. Train. The third is limousine. I choose limousine for its comfort and convenience. I book it through Klook, and they pick me up from Hanoi and drop me off right at my hotel in Sapa. We had a fun 3 stops for food, restroom breaks, and the limousine so spacious.
At my hotel in Sapa. We had 3 fun stops for food and rest breaks, and also the limousine is so spacious with massage
Chair. Wi-Fi. It's almost the same. Ulit. Take 3.
Are you planning to visit Sapa, Vietnam? There are 3 ways to get there. We had 3 fun stops for food, restroom break. Ulit.
Are you planning a trip to Sapa, Vietnam? There are 3 ways to get there. 1. Sleeper bus. 2. Train. 3. The slim. Lord, please. Are you planning to visit Sapa, Vietnam? Are you planning to visit Sapa, Vietnam? There are 3 ways to get there. 1. Sleeper bus. 2. Train. 3rd is limousine. I personally choose. Are you planning to visit Sapa, Vietnam? There are. Nalasan yung gloomy days niya. Gloomy days talaga. Yung gloominess niya. I'm talking about the weather here in Sapa. Kasi it's 2:23 p.m. already. And buong araw nasa kwarto lang ako. But I cannot stay inside dahil today is my special day. And as you can see, guys, I'm wearing dress. This is from Coco Cabana. Ito naman talaga yung dress na dala ko for this day. Kasi nga, ang iniisip ko, tapos na ang winter dito sa Sapa. Unfortunately, it's 6 degrees Celsius currently. So, tinitignan ko kung kaya ko bang mag-dress outside. Pero don't worry, kasi meron naman akong jacket. Gusto ko kasi magsimba. I'll be wearing this jacket. Let's see. At may hoodie naman siya, di ba? So, feeling ko kaya ko naman, hindi lang ako dapat magpaabot ng gabi sa labas. Or, pwede ko namang suotan ng white long sleeve. Tingnan natin. So, balik tayo sa turtleneck. White turtleneck. Tapos, meron tayong pangloob. Another layer. Tamad ho pa rin, no? Let's see if it looks... pwede. So, this is how it looks like. Dahil gusto kong mag-dress talaga. Ano, what do you think, guys? So that's it. And then this one. Ayan. So, ganito ang ating outfitan here in Sapa, Vietnam. Let's wear my... So, that's going to be my birthday outfit. I'll go to attend church. See you later. Finish ko talaga yung dress. And naglalakad tayo. I'm going to the church. So, okay na yan. May mga manok. It's a 10 minutes walk from my hotel, but because of zero visibility, I decided to book a Grab. Unfortunately, I pinned an incorrect drop-off location from Google that led me to a wrong destination. Just lucky enough that the Grab driver is kind to send me to church. I just need to pay extra. Ligaw ako kanina. So, anong purpose ng billboard na yan pag winter?